the House leadership does not influence or try to influence any particular congressman, any individual member of Congress to vote in a particular way or incentivize them in any way. And I know that is what my distinguished colleague was alluding to before, and I have vehemently denied that yesterday during the press conference. Wala pong katotohanan yan.
So yung 2 million po na Christmas bonus,
I vehemently deny that. I don't want to speak ill of anyone, especially my colleagues in the House, but that is there is no truth to that at all.
Pero ma'am, merong parang MOOE budget for Christmas activities ng mga distrito.
Wala pong ganun. The MOOE of the House is purely for the operations of the House. And that's all I can say about that.